This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do medium twists with braiding hair. First, gather all your essential tools: your preferred braiding hair, a fine-tooth comb, hair clips, and a nourishing moisturizer. Next, prepare your natural hair by ensuring it is freshly washed, completely detangled, and well hydrated. Finally, divide your hair into 4 to 6 large, manageable sections, securing each with a clip to keep them separate and organized. Now, let's perfect your sections. Using your comb, create a small, neat square or rectangular section of your natural hair, about 1 inch by 1 inch, for each individual twist. Apply a tiny dab of edge control or styling gel to the base of this section to ensure a sleek foundation. Then, take a small, even piece of braiding hair, roughly 1/3 of a standard pack, and fold it in half to create 2 equal strands. Here's how to master the twisting technique. Position the folded braiding hair at the very base of your natural hair section, ensuring it's secure. Start by braiding your natural hair with the 2 strands of braiding hair for about 1 inch to create a strong anchor. Next, separate your natural hair into 2 equal parts and combine each part with one of the braiding hair strands. Now, twist these 2 combined strands tightly over and under each other, working your way down to the very ends. For the finishing touches, secure the ends of each twist. You can do this by curling them with hot water or by sealing them with a small amount of styling gel. Once all twists are complete, apply a light hair oil or mousse to add shine and maintain moisture. To protect your beautiful twists, always wear a satin bonnet or scarf at night to prevent frizz and extend their lifespan. With proper care, your medium twists can last for 4 to 6 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.